Hey guys, the topic we've been discussing for months is only going to become increasingly important due to the upcoming elections and the political and economic crises. It is about distinguishing when a material, be it an image or a video, has been modified using artificial intelligence. How can you identify it? How can you differentiate it? That's what we're going to do in today's video. Drop a comment below if you've ever come across an image or a video and you look at it and say, wow, is this even real? Is this real? And in the end, you discovered that some changes were made for better or worse. Okay, drop a comment below because I want to know. Well, the main companies are Facebook, in this case known as Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Google, which owns Google's search engine, but also YouTube. Other companies like Amazon and other companies like the former Twitter, which is Elon Musk's X, are all in this race to figure out which mechanism you'll use to identify. And all this is building up as the elections, for example, are coming up in the United States. Then there's one coming up in Brazil. Sometimes it's for president, sometimes it's for governor. Ultimately, how are we going to determine if a video of some politician, for example, is true or not? Recently, there in the United States, the guys cloned the voice of the president of the United States, which is Biden, right? Who in this case is the most powerful guy in the world, and then a lot of people were deceived. How can we identify this, Rodrigo? Well, first let's react to the news here. Check it out. Meta is developing a tool to identify AI-generated images. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. But look at this too, how interesting here. I recently made a video about Google's image creator, Google Bard, which is the artificial agency competing with EPT Chat, has released a tool for you to generate images for free. I'll leave the link in the description, and if I forget, remind me in the comments. But basically it's this, just look, creating images. Here's the news, right? The title of the news here. Oh, hang on a second. Bard now allows you to create images from text, and I've already highlighted it here, see? In addition, Google released Cinti ID, an algorithm that creates an invisible watermark to indicate AI-created content. In other words, we've already started answering here. It's not enough for you to place a watermark only when you pick up a battery for free that you don't want to pay for, and you see that watermark there like on a building. Scrap off this mark, and then when it comes into the code, you'll have another tool that will scan, and then you'll see if it is or not, if it was or not used artificial intelligence. Look, take this news report for example. Google creates rules for using artificial intelligence, and you'll see that it's already used in the code. Take a look at this news report. Google is creating rules for the usage of artificial intelligence in political campaign videos. See, things are moving forward. Also, YouTube is going to require identification for content created by artificial intelligence. What are they going to do? When I upload a video to YouTube, like the one you might also be watching on Facebook, when I upload this video, for example, on YouTube, I'd already identify if the video is targeted for children, whether the video contains ads. If it's sponsored, there will soon be an option to mark to say that this video used artificial intelligence tools. For example, if I've generated a voice, made an edit, added a special effect using artificial intelligence, anything I've used, I will mark. In the case of political ads, take a look at what Google said. Google will require that political ads that use AI must include a warning that the images or sounds have been altered. This rule will apply to political ads on YouTube or on any other platforms of the company. Changed? The rule will apply to political ads on YouTube or other company platforms. The notice will need to be in an easy-to-notice place, so it must be clearly labeled. It can't be in tiny letters, right? Here on YouTube, we're already talking not just about images like on the Google bar and in the image creator, but also about YouTube videos. And if you don't do it, you're going to be banned. It won't just be your video is going to be taken down, your channel will be deleted depending on the severity, right? And here in the case of Meta implementing Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, look at what they said. All of Meta's AI-generated images feature invisible metadata and identifiers to show they were created by sorting models. I've already brought to this channel a tool from Meta itself, from Facebook itself, that generates images nowadays, right? And getting back to it, obviously, look, Meta's tool, which is only for images right now, isn't just going to identify the images created by Meta's own tool, it's also going to identify those from other companies. She mentioned it here, see? According to the executive, Meta is developing tools and markers to identify AI-generated images on neighboring platforms, like generators from Google, from OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, and DALL-E, Microsoft, which is Copilot, for example, and Adobe as well, which has top-notch artificial intelligence tools like Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, and others. Now, I want to know from you, going back, have you seen any image, a video, some meme, something that you looked at and said, whoa, it fooled me or would fool me? I understand. I even have another video that I have here on my new WhatsApp scams channel where the guy created a video of a woman's daughter who was basically wearing her clothes, her voice, her appearance. How are you going to deny a pics when you're seeing or hearing your daughter's or son's voice? So have you ever been fooled by it? Comment below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'm here every single day, okay? Updating you, informing you. So subscribe, hit the like button. It's showing up here now. The next video makes perfect sense for you to watch. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.